Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you a little overview here of this YoCast. This is a 3-in-1 140 watt USB-C charger. Full disclosure, this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do one of your cool reviews on our here USB 3-in-1 140 watts USB-C charger? Who might say no, but I'm here to keep it real. So in no way whatsoever will this be provided to me affect this review. So real quick, let me share with you how it is. So this thing is a couple inches by about an inch. If you can see, it fits in the palm of my hand. Has a built-in foldable, so from a travel compact standpoint, you have this that you can plug in. It is a smart charger because it has a max power outage, if you will, of 140 for each one of these. If you can pick that up there, 140 of each one of these. It does come with a USB-C. So if you wanted to use all three at the exact same time, you just need to provide your other two USB-C jacks to plug into whatever it is you might need. And then depending on whatever it is you're trying to charge, I even connected this to a laptop. The laptop said, yes, this works, we're charging, but it was charging a little bit slower than the provided charger with my laptop. And that's a little bit more of an extreme example. And that's just because I didn't read the instructions on my laptop. I was just like, just to see if it charges. So if I was in a pinch, I could definitely use this. This obviously comes out. Now, when I say it's a smart charger, that's because it will do 140 watts at the exact same time, but it will distribute it based on how many things you have plugged in. You know, so if I wanted to, let's just say, hook up a backup battery supply and I wanted to charge it, I could have this plugged in. I could have my cell phone currently plugged in and charging. I could have a third one in there, and it would kind of distribute the charge for each one of three devices accordingly based on the amount of wattage that the devices maybe can take. And there's a breakdown in the instructions as far as like maybe 65 watts here or 40 watts there and 35 there, but up to a max of 140 watts. No, so if you're in a situation where, let's just say, you don't want to have two of these plugged in for two different devices, and you wanted to choose one plug that's travel friendly. This is nice, neat, compact, and is pretty strong at 140 watts. This just might be the USB-C charger that you need. Hopefully that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.